has set a 45-day window for Kenya to respond to Sonko's suit contesting the Supreme Court impeachment verdict. This comes hours after the former Nairobi Governor Mike Sonko moved to the East African Court of Justice to challenge the Supreme Court's decision to uphold his impeachment. Sonko wants the regional court to certify the matter urgently and temporarily stop the implementation of the judgment rendered by the top court on Friday. Mike Mbuvi Sonko's quest for justice has proven to be relentless after the former Nairobi governor moved to the East African Court of Justice to challenge the Supreme Court's decision to uphold the Court of Appeal and the High Court's decision on his impeachment.
The violation of his fundamental rights has necessitated us to move outside the Kenyan jurisdiction, and we shall lay the basis as to why we have taken that unprecedented act.
The former governor could now be glaring at a beam of hope after his quest for justice seems to be taking the right direction after the ESCJ set a 45-day window for the Kenya to respond to Sonko's suit.
On behalf of the Wiper Party, where Governor Sonko is a candidate, we are not pleased at all by what has happened in court. We do not condemn the court decision, but we do not agree with it. We are pursuing review, and we support the cause in the South African Court of Justice. It is surprising that politics have interfered with this.
Governor Sonko does not know any other profession other than the profession of politics. So that is why we have decided that we will move to the East African Court of Justice. Still, there are more layers. The international arena has very many courts that will get reprieve because this is about a career. And unless the Supreme Court is checked on this matter, we are not going to agree.
In the court papers, his lawyers argue that Sonko is gravely and fundamentally aggrieved by the decision of the Supreme Court of Kenya and in the manner in which the said court and the courts below, that is the High Court and the Court of Appeal, conducted the said proceedings contrary to the rule of law and the rules of natural justice, with the resultant effect of grave injustice and miscarriage of justice being visited upon him.
Remember, the Supreme Court did not vacate the orders of the three-bench judges at the High Court in Mombasa that allowed Governor Sonko to be in the ballot. What right now, as we stand here, this is a candidate for the Mombasa gubernatorial seat.
Earlier on, the Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission (IEBC) revoked Mike Sonko's candidature for Mombasa governor's seat. A letter to the politician from Swale Ibrahim Yusuf, the county returning officer in Mombasa County, tells Sonko he was disqualified from holding any public office and therefore cannot contest in Mombasa or any other county. In its letter, IEBC says, in adherence to the Supreme Court judgment, you are therefore disqualified from holding any public office and thus disqualified from contesting and being elected as governor for Mombasa or any other county. Your candidature is invalidated and your certificate revoked. Sonko has, however, responded to the letter saying that the CRO revoked his certificate despite his petition to want the case be heard afresh. The High Court has directed Sonko and his team to appear before the court on 25th of July. Brian Amoai, Look Up TV, Nairobi. All right,